going to be talking about moles, and I really want you to understand what's important about a mole when we're working in chemistry. Over here, right here, I have set an atom of carbon, and so what we're going to do is we're just going to zoom in and take a closer look at that. And so here's our atom of carbon. Now, as you can see, it's a carbon-12 atom. That means it's made up of 6 protons and 6 neutrons. This carbon-12 atom has a mass of 12 atomic mass units. That means it weighs 12 times what a proton weighs, or roughly speaking 12 times what a hydrogen atom weighs. Now, what I have also done is I've gathered together 1 mole, in other words, a specific number of carbon atoms all in one place. So a mole is a number, sort of like a dozen is a number. It's the same every time. And so here it is here. So this is 1 mole of carbon over here. This weighs 12 atomic mass units, this 1 atom of carbon. This 1 mole of carbon weighs 12 grams. Notice what's special about the mole here. So let's try something else. I've set a water molecule over here, so let's zoom in and okay, so here's the water molecule, and you'll notice that the water molecule is made up of 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen, and you'll notice that 1 oxygen has a 16 atomic mass units, has a mass of 16 atomic mass units, and 2 hydrogen, each having 1 atomic mass unit. And this molecule altogether weighs 18 atomic mass units. And so I have gathered together 1 mole of water molecules, and you can see it in there. It's you know, it's not a lot, but it's kind of what we might use in the lab. And so there's 1 mole of water, and you will never guess how much 1 mole of water weighs. If you said 18 grams, you're exactly right. And so I have exactly the same number of particles in this glass as in this lump. It's a lot of particles, but we don't have to worry about that. Notice that the atomic mass unit and the actual weight in grams are the same if I have a mole of the particle. Okay, let's do the last one. This one is delicious. Now, I've set a sugar molecule over here, a glucose molecule, so let's zoom in on it. And so as you can see, the sugar molecule actually has the molecular formula C6H12O6. In other words, 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. And so if we want to know the formula weight, or the atomic mass unit, the atomic mass for this, we need 6 carbon. And so there's actually extra numbers here because there are isotopes of carbons around, but we are going to just do this simply. 12 hydrogens, and we have another 6 oxygens, and so we've got 6. And so 1 molecule of glucose weighs approximately 180 atomic mass units. It's actually a little more than that because there are isotopes around, and this is roughly 1 mole of glucose. And so same number of particles as before, and guess how much this weighs? 180 grams. That is what is important about a mole.